Today we are back again. So today I have one new logic which I'm going to show you guys. Okay. So here you can see I have one table. Okay. In this table I have one data set, the item name and the seller, the vendor details. Okay. The vendor, what they are selling, the selling price. Okay, we can say the selling price. So the book modern stationery is selling 7.90, Amazon is selling 9.8.90, and the noon it selling 14.60. So the lowest price is 7.90, which is being sold by modern stationery. Okay, and the ink. So here our logic is to find out the lowest selling price. Okay, which vendor, which sellers are selling the lowest price of these item. Okay, in future let's say we have many item added and many vendor added across the sheet, and when we refresh our data set, automatically we should get the lowest price, item name, and the seller name. Okay, this is the logic today we are trying to build in Power Query. Okay, so let us bring this data in the Power Query. So I'm going to data tab and this icon from table/lines. It will launch the Power Query editor. Okay. So here you can see here our data is loaded in Power Query editor. Okay. So first thing we need to find out the lowest price. So what we need to do, we can go to add column and click on custom column. Okay. So here we can see the data is looks like this. So first thing what you have to do, we can convert the entire table into record. Okay, then after converting record, we can convert the individual row into list. Then from that list we can find out the lowest price. This is the logic today we are going to build. So to convert the entire table into record, we need to type here the underscore, meaning it is going to convert the entire record, the all the rows in the record format. Okay, meaning the whole data is converted into record. So this is our first record, second record, third record, and so on. Okay, now we can convert this record into list. Okay, so to convert this record into list, you type here record dot to list. Okay, this one, and open the bracket, close the bracket at the end, and click on OK. So this is converted into list format, you can see here. Okay, now you can see here every list has this value, the selling price. Okay, and the column also this one. Here we have the cutter. If you go to the first list, we have the book, which is this one. So what we need to do, we can skip the first row from every list. Okay, so here what we have to do, you can go here, and type skip. Okay, so meaning we have the list dot skip, and I'm going to skip the first row, meaning 1. Okay, so here you can see the first row is skipped. Now we have the price. Okay, this one, this column values we skip in the list. Okay, now here you can use min function, meaning list dot min. Okay, list dot min, and you can click here. Okay, so this value is the logic what we are trying to build. Okay, so meaning the 7.9 is the lowest price which is being sold by modern stationery, and the another one, the second item, ink lowest price is 11.3, which is being sold by noon. Okay, so now we got the lowest price. Okay, we can just rename this column as a lowest price. Okay, now we need to find out the vendor name in the next column. Okay, we need to find out the vendor name also, which vendor is selling this price. Okay, so again go to custom column and type here vendor name. Okay, and here same thing we have to do again. We need to convert this in the record, but now we need to convert the record. We need to get the column name instead of we getting the row. You can see here this is full row converted into a record, and this is the second row converted in the record. But instead of converting the record of the row into record, we need the header. Okay, these header we need. Okay, not the rows. So what you have to do, you type here field name. Okay, field name. So record dot field name. So open the bracket, this field names. Okay, and click OK. Now you can see here we are able to get the header details, the header name. Okay, first header is item, which is this one, modern stationery, Amazon, noon, and lowest price, this one. Okay, so we are able to get the list of the header, the columns. Okay, now we need to map the position. Okay, map the position based on the lowest price, this one. To map the position, I'm going to cut this one for timing. Okay, because we need to find out the position. So you type here position of. Okay, so list dot position of, and our list we already applied here in this script logic. Okay, I did custom. How we applied the list? We converted the entire entire table, entire row into record. Okay, by pressing underscore, and before underscore we applied record dot to list. This is the formula we applied. If you are not sure, you can go back to this step and check. Okay, so this is become our list. Okay, so this is list dot position of, meaning this list we applied, and now we want to find the value based on this position. Okay, this one. Click OK, close, click close. Sorry, press comma, and value is the lowest price, and close the bracket. Click OK. Now you are able to get the position. Okay, so you can see here this is coming on the first position, this is coming on the third, this is second. So how it is coming on the first? This column is 0 position, and this is the first position. So book, the lowest price is 7.9, and which is coming in the first position. Okay, then the second one, it is coming on the third position because the lowest price is 11.3, which is coming here in the noon column. Okay, and noon is coming on this third position because this is 0 position, 1, 2, and 3. So this is coming on the 3 position. Okay, now what we need to do, instead of finding the number, we have to find the vendor name, not the number. Okay, so before I had cut one formula which was applied here, I'm going to paste it again. Okay, because this is going to give us the name of the column. Okay, name of the column. So this is the field, this is the column, and from that column give me the position based on this logic. Okay, based on this logic. So here I'm going to put the curly bracket. Okay, and click on OK. Now you can see here I'm able to get the vendor name. So 7.9, this is the lowest price, and it is being sold by modern stationery. 11.3 is the lowest price for the ink, which is being sold by known, and so on. Okay, I'm going to click and load, close and load to, and click OK. Okay, now let us add some new data. I'm going to add here, let's say I'm going to put here rice. Okay, so I'm going to put here 5.6, 8.9, 8.9, and here I'm going to put 6. So you can see here the lowest price is 6, we should get noon. Okay, right click, refresh. You can see here the lowest price is coming 6. Okay, and the vendor is noon. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching my video, thank you for your time.